Okay, so let's talk about the core functionality of Bulleto, the crypto machine. Bulleto is a highly unique project as it is a 100% decentralized smart contract. This is the world's first smart contract that has an entire ecosystem to support it. Bulleto, 100% decentralized matrix plan, the first hybrid plan with comprehensive ecosystem. So what does decentralized mean? This means any project which is deployed on blockchain is immutable and can't be controlled or altered by any central authority. How to register? In order to register for Bulleto, you simply need to visit www.bbonds.io and purchase a BTC bond. With this BTC bond, you get registered on the matrix. BTC bonds can be bought via BTC, USDT, or BFI token. So how does the matrix work? Let's now discuss the income plan and functionality of the matrix. This is you. Now you may generate income from any source or downline. Whenever you generate income, it fills the circles. Once the first circle fills, the income goes to your first upline. When your second circle gets filled, the income goes to your second upline. And the third circle's income comes directly to you. Same happens for slots 4, 5 and 6. Their incomes also go straight to you. Now as soon as your 7th circle gets filled with income, the income is redirected to your first downline. The income generated in circles 8 and 9 go to you, and the 10th circle's income is redirected to your second downline. The income for circles 11 and 12 go straight to you. Following this, the 13th circle's income fills your third downline, and as soon as you fill the 14th circle, the entire structure gets refreshed to start generating income again, starting from the first circle. Whether you work or not, this cycle generates income from 6 sources, that are 3 uplines and 3 downlines. Now let's talk about the potential of this income plan. Whoever enters into Bulleto starts with an initial investment of only 0.001 BTC. At the first completion of the slot tree, the investor ends up generating 0.008 BTC. This means that he generated an income of 0.008 BTC by investing only 0.001 BTC, which is 8 times of the invested amount. Now the first slot cycle started with 0.001 BTC and you earned 0.008 BTC. To get in on the next cycle of the income generating slots, you will need to invest 0.002 BTC. This means you get to keep 0.006 BTC as saving and yet still generate further income via reinvestment of 0.002 BTC. The previously available matrix plans worked differently. The first income went to you, second to your upline, third, fourth and fifth to you, and the sixth went to your upline after resetting all the slots. What happened was that you invested 0.001 BTC and you bought next slot using incomes from third and fourth circles. This means for the first circle, your generated income was completely utilized into buying the reset into the next cycle. The plan has total 8 slots. The first slot starts at 0.001 BTC. The second slot starts at 0.002 BTC and this goes up till 8th slot. All these slots work the same way, same matrix plan and same way of income generation. This is how you can repeat income. You can read and easily understand the phenomena. Income potential. This is a thorough chart of your income potential. You start by investing 0.001 BTC in slot 1 and reinvesting for each slot you reach up to a total investment of 3.969 BTC for all 8 slots. For instance, in the first slot, you generate 8x income and invest 2x income or 2 times the income to buy the next slot, making a saving of 6 times income. This means you generate a total income of 31.752 BTC. In short, you start from 0.001 BTC and end up making 31.752 BTC. Isn't this just amazing? Just calculate the worth of 31.752 BTC that you made by investing only 0.001 BTC, which is approximately only $50. Now, obviously, some of the income was invested into buying new slots. If we deduct the reinvested amount of 8 slots, which is equal to 3.96 BTC, your actual savings are 27.784 BTC. But we all know that this calculation is not absolutely correct. Those who have played the smart contract game know that each slot is recycled multiple times and we end up making a lot more income. So, if this calculation is considered, it is safe to speculate that at the end of the 8th slot, we would end up making over 100 BTC. Another amazing benefit of Boleto smart contracts is the reward system. Each time you invest in Boleto, you are rewarded with free BFI coins. With each slot, the reward multiplies, and at the end of 8 slots, you end up getting rewarded with 3,969 BFI coins. The starting value of one BFI coin is $1, making the total reward worth $3,969. But as per the company's prediction, the BFI coin will be worth over $100 in the upcoming 6 months, which makes the reward of 3,969 BFI coins worth a whopping amount of $396,900 in only 6 months.